Dr. Fozia Khan. Honorable Member, 2 minutes.
So I stand here to welcome this bill, which has been brought in to curb unfair practices in examinations. Curbing unfair practices, sir, is required in every level of education and in every sphere of life. Because unless we curb unfair practices, we cannot enhance the gross domestic happiness of our nation, GDH of our nation, which is very important. Sir, I wish here that the definition of public examinations had been more comprehensive and inclusive, as building a culture of honesty and integrity is imperative in the field of education particularly, sir, for this is the very objective of education. Sir, and there are several unfair practices that exist at several levels of education, right from pre-primary to whatever highest level, sir. This bill primarily focuses on punitive measures. We need to address the underlying reasons for the cheating. So, sir, I believe that deterioration is there at moral values in all across society. In schools, we don't particularly focus on value education because these are the formative years where we need to instill values of honesty, sir. And honesty and integrity is very, very important in our society, sir. It is said that the purpose of education is to turn mirrors into windows. We need to turn mirrors into windows, and that is why school education is a very important level where this has to be addressed. Sir, addressing these concerns requires a comprehensive approach that combines punitive measures with preventive measures and systemic reforms to promote fairness and integrity in examinations, sir. I'm just concluding, sir. Legal experts caution against the bill's disproportionate penalties and ambiguous definitions, which may lead to confusion and redundancy in enforcement, whereas the definitions provided in the bill are exhaustive and can be interpreted in several ways. This can create confusion and redundancy. Sir, at the end, I would only like to say that we have to also address the issue of plagiarism in research. So this is a very important aspect because we tend to cut paste and give our research thesis. So we have to address these. There are several things to say, sir, about this topic, but I welcome the bill.